Friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will discuss about the kinds of actions. In our last video we have discussed some kinds of actions. Today also we have think some of the important kinds of actions. Among them permissible actions. First one is permissible, second one is forbidden actions, and third one is obligatory actions. So first we will begin with the obligatory actions. Obligatory actions are those actions which if you want to fail to perform, you are going to punish. For example, if I am a teacher, my duty is to take the or engage the classes to the students. If I fail to perform my duty of engaging the classes to the students, that means I am going to punish by our higher authority. That is the obligatory duties. That is already you are under certain obligations. You must do your duty. That is obligatory duties. Permissible actions. Permissible actions are those actions which it is depend upon your will. Whether if you want you can do, or if you don't want you don't. That means it is depend upon your will. It is permitted, and if you will you can do, otherwise if you don't, no problem. For example, a blind man is going to cross a road. That time you are also crossing the road, but if you have some urgent work, that time you are not concentrate on the blind man, and even you don't think that I can't able to help him, just you pass away. But the persons who is nearby you are not going to blame you, are not going to complain against you, because it is depend upon your permission, your will. If you will, you can do. The alms to the beggars is also depend upon your will. Whether you will, you can go to alms. Otherwise, no problem. That is permissible actions. And one more actions is that it is forbidden actions. So in the obligatory actions, we think that if you are going to fail to perform your obligatory duties, you are going to punish. But in the forbidden duties, if you perform your duties, then you are going to punish. That means the forbidden duties are those duties which are prohibited by the society, such as telling lie, or deceiving others, cheating others, or killing anybody or any animal in the society is called these type of duties or actions are called the prohibited duties in the society. If you perform these duties, you are going to punish. Therefore, there are three important different kinds of actions, that is obligatory duties, permissible duties, and forbidden duties. And there are also different other two kinds of actions. One is called generic actions, and another one is called specific actions. Generic actions are those actions which are performing on everyone, performed by everyone in the every place and in all times, is called the generic duties or general duties. For example, walking, eating, running, all these kinds of actions are called general duties or generic duties, which are going to perform by all individuals in all places and in all time. That is the generic duties. And another one is kind of the duties is called, that is specific duties. That is specific duties is something, the duty which is performed by one person in one place and one time only. that is called specific duties. It cannot be done over and over again. It is only one time and one place by one person. That is called only the specific duties. For example, if you take the example of Neil Armstrong, which is first landed on the surface of the moon on June 14, 1969, is the specific duties done by the Neil Armstrong, because nobody is first there, and after that there may be so many people went and come back, but the person who put his leg on the surface of the moon, that is the specific duties. At the same time, we can take the Everest, Mount Everest, the climber of the Prince Singh and the Hillary are called the specific duties because they climb first on the hills of the Everest. Therefore, the specific duties are those duties which are going to perform as one time in one place by the one person only. That is the generic duty and specific duty. Thank you watching video, comment and share.